Welcome to this video on transposing your data in Microsoft Excel. So at the moment I can see I've got some vertical data on first and last names, and maybe I want those first and last names to be across my spreadsheet so I can add information about them below. And you can do this very easily by using a special paste option. So what I'm going to do is select all of my data, and I can select more than one column at a time. And I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to do Command and C, but if you're on a PC, Control and C is your copy. And then I'm going to select a cell a bit further down where I want the information to be pasted, but rather than just doing Command and V or Control and V, I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to see a drop down, and I'm going to be looking for Paste Special. And in here, I've got things like I can just paste the values, I can paste formulas, I can have no borders, I can keep formatting, all sorts of things. But what you will see is Transpose. And if I click on that option there, what you'll see now is my information. I've got the same formatting, so my column headers still have the colour behind them. And now you can see the information is in horizontal rather than vertical. So it's a really quick way of just moving my information and changing the formatting of my spreadsheet without having to go in and manually move lots of things around. So super quick top tip there. Please do have a go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.